Hi fam, Josao here again, your mentor with another tutorial. So this is going to be part 6 of how to start trading with just $1 series. Okay, I've talked about part 1, how to create and verify your account, part 2, how to deposit and withdraw, part 3, we talked about the copy trading, and part 4, I believe we explained about what other different thing. Part 5 was where I explained like the best pairs which you need to start with as a beginner in this particular platform. If you don't have like an account in this platform, check the description of this video or the comment section. You're going to see a pin, all right, a comment that is being pinned there. Just use the link to create and verify your account and start trading. All right, make sure you watch from part 1 before you come to this part 5. So the video for this part 6 is going to be what no mentor out there is going to share out with you. For me, you already know my motto: we are in the race to end poverty. I want each and every one of us to succeed. So I know most of you are not going to have fun to start trading, all right, even the $1. All right, for my brothers and sisters and the other side of the world, it's going to be difficult for you to generate $1. So this is how you can generate what 20 to 30, 40, $50 weekly without trading at all. All right, without trading at all. So the platform which you are seeing, the link is going to be in the description. I'm going to show you like what this work so you can see this for me. So you see here, this is dashboard, finance, promo, tech, and terminal and account. You tell what this account. Okay, under this account you are going to see what team, language, web, right, education, wellcoin, MQL signals, copy trading. We have talked about the copy trading, partners program, and refer a friend, setting help. So now you want to focus on what this partners program. This partners program is like what affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you tend to what refer people to a particular platform, and when they carry out activities, okay, then you tend to earn what commission for referring them. For example, in this platform, if you are like refer people to come, like what they use your link to create your account, whenever they enter into trades, okay, the platform is going to give you like what kind of like commission, a thank you, all right, for bringing people into what this platform. You know, we have a lot of brokers, so it's not easy to attract people, all right, to bring them here. So they are going to compensate you, and you can make what a lot of cash with this. If you want, all you need to do is like what get a specific link, post them on your social media, share them with what your friends. You have WhatsApp community, all right, you have your YouTube channel, you have TikTok. You can create content, all right, to promote this one, and in return people are going to what use your link. So if you tap this one currently, all right, so this is what I've been able to what generate in the past what 2 days. Okay, this is what I've been able to generate in the past what 2 days. So in 2 days, imagine, with like what, don't forget I have what a community. I have like over 30,000 subscribers from this particular platform, and I have what TikTok, I have YouTube, all right. So I tend to what share my link, all right, but people are not just going to use your link. You need to give them value, you need to offer value. So it can be in form of tutorials, it can be in form of what different thing, all right. If you have like people that are interested in trading, you know they can't afford like what $10, $30, but they can afford $1, you can share with this, because with this particular platform they tend to what start with as low as $1. So when you just sign up for the program, you are going to see this is what your referral link. When you copy this link, you can what share this link, all right, share this link to what people, your friends and all, or you can also send your code. But the best is what they use what your link. Now when sharing this link, tell them like nothing is going to happen to their account. You need to what you need to educate them. They are not going to deduct from their profit they are going to make when they are going to start trading or anything. Okay, whenever they trade, then you just earn what little commission. And the good part of this is like what they have like two status, all right. They have like three status. They have the standard. When you start, you are going to start with the standard, where you get like what 30 to 40% commission. Okay, then you need to people, the general trading volume should be 150 standard. Currently, before I move from standard to professional, I need to what when people need to what under me need to carry out this 21.96 lot size. Okay, and I'll move to professional. So as a from you move from standard to professional, you are going to be able to what increase. Okay, you are going to increase what you're earning. In case like you are earning like what 30%, you are going to earn like what 40 50% again. okay, from the trading. So at the bottom, yeah, recently over the past 24 hours, 7 people have used what my affiliate. If you want to say like start, you can come here. You see the amount of start, this like where they give you complete details. So you are going to be seeing this balance here like every day. Whenever you see new sign up, you are going to see if you want more details, you can come to show detail statistic. That's where like they give you complete details, like the people that sign up, all right, from which country and all. And also again, if you are also good at trading, you can also provide signals, okay? So that's going to motivate people, sorry, to like sign up with this and all that. Like now what I'm going to do is like, if you use my link, all right, use the link, you can just check my description section, the bottom, then you join my free Telegram community. I'll be sharing what setup. But if you use my link, what I'll do is like, I have a private community which I'm working towards. Like, you don't need to pay me for signals, but whenever I want to enter a trade, I'll be sending setup like 3 times a week, all right, for the 3 pairs that I talked about in part 5. Okay, in the part 5 I talk about the FX volume 20, the SFX volume 20, and the flip one, all right. So these are the setup I'm going to sign in. But for you to join my private group, you need to use my affiliate. So this can be another way. Again, you are not paying for signals, all right, you are, but at least when you use my affiliate, you tend to it's a win-win for both of us. So when, let's say, you have generated profit from here, you want to transfer, you don't need to like have any specific thing. You can send directly to your trading account. Just select here, then you say transfer, all right, transfer to any account. I can take this now from this my partner account to this safe account. If I just transfer like this, okay, so you see like transfer, say commission calculation is in progress, we do have a temporary on, please check again later. So later you try to check again, then you'll be able to withdraw. Okay, you are going to be able to withdraw again. So that's how you transfer. Then if you want to like deposit, now if these funds are in you want to transfer, let's say you want to transfer these funds. So let's say the funds are in your safe account, you want to transfer them to your synthetic account. You can also use this fund to trade as well, all right. You can use this fund to do your trading activities. So all you need to do is like you stay under my affiliate, use the referral link. When you do use the referral link, then you send me a message, okay. Then you have this other section where like you are saying they are just almost like the same. Refer a friend, okay. Send an invitation email. If you do have the first name, enter the first name, send invitation to them, okay. Send invitation to them, then status of invitation and earning. So when you send them an email, their name, and you send them like email, if they use, all right, the one that you have sent, you are going to see sent here, the one that have created account that they have accepted, totally activated, and you're going to see the amount of cash you have earned as well. So like this, if you have like newsletter, you can be attaching requesting for emails from people, then you'll be sending them like emails, all right. You'll be sending them email, and you'll be able to earn as well. So after you have calculated, you need to earn at least $1 for you to be able to transfer this fund. So if you select here, you'll be able to transfer just like the previous pop-up. So bonus for invited friends. So first deposit like 100 to 499, your bonus is going to be like 20, and your friend is also going to get 20. So these are all things you need to know, okay. These are all the things you need to know, and these are the promotion terms you need to like read about this. For wealth coin, I've talked about this coins, so you can read and you know how to earn this coin. I think that's what I talked about in part 4, okay. So fam, this is what I have for you today. Ensure you subscribe if you find value. No mentor out there is going to come show you like what they are making money through this particular means, all right. For me, I'm very transparent, and your success is my success. I want each and every one of us to win. So you can sign up for this. You share this link. You have like TikTok account, you have Instagram, you have YouTube, all right. No need to show your face. Most of the time you notice like the tutorials that I do, like this one, I don't tend to show my face. All you need to do is record your phone screen, okay. Record your phone screen, then you can start pointing. We have like free apps you can also use for recording. And for editing video, you can use CapCut, all right, the free version, or you go to Canva, the free version as well, to just edit your videos. All right, so if you have any question, please drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. In the upcoming series, I'll show you how to grow up with your account. All right, I'll show you how to analyze the chart and how to grow up your account. So this is going to be a series. This series is going to have like multiple videos. I believe if you just focus on this, you will start earning cash. All right, no need for you to wait like 5 years, 7 years, 8 years. To ensure to subscribe, like and share this video. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone, West Africa.